Hey, this is Brian Mandrell, and I hope you're having a great day today. And we're going to show you some very powerful information about how to design and customize your blog for your AdvoCare business or for any other business that you may be wanting to market. Once again, you're back here in your activity feed of your back office of Empower Network, and let's get started. So, what you want to do is you want to go to View, Edit My Blog. So you click on that, and that will bring you here to your Empower Network default blog. And once again, you should probably keep this blog because you can do some additional things with it in the future. So what you want to do, so from here, let me show you how to change these little bitty buttons or these tabs here. Very simple and very easy. So once again, you want to come up here to this like little bitty button here, the little plus customize your blog button, and click on that. And then what you'll see up here is your Empower Network blog, and then any other blogs that you may have in the future. You can have up to 10 blogs. So if you want to do a micro niche around a certain keyword or a niche, business niche, you can do that here up here and building brand new blogs. I'll show you in a minute how to do that. So first here, let's go here to the navigation bar and show you what that's about. So you have your navigation bar, your SEO options, your footer data, your page customization, and your custom domain. But first here, let's go back here to your Empower Network. Oops, sorry about that. Let's go back here as it loads up. It's to customize your blog. And let me explain to you what you can do here when you first open that up. When you first see this, you'll see right here, Customize Blog Template. So on the color right here, you can do the BG color. That's the background color. So that would be the background back here. You can change this to any color which you want. On the button color, you can change the names or the tab color here on these tabs. So you change it to red, to blue, to green, yellow, whatever you want. But personally, I actually like the same colors, so I just leave those alone. And then you can do the link color. So on the link color, that will be the color of the links in your pages on your post. So for like example here, I have a link color here, and once again, if you notice, this is in red. They have shown recently that a red link color is highly converting versus a blue link color. Because let me go down here to the bottom. Because in the past, since websites have been made, the links have traditionally been a blue color. Because people have seen these for years and years and years, they don't click on them as much as if they see a different link color. So they've shown that a red link color converts higher versus a blue one. So you can change your link color right here. Very simple, very easy. Here on the article options, you can change the background color, and the article option is this box right here. So you can change the background color to this box if you want to. Personally, I actually like the actual look of it, so I actually keep that the same. So you can change the title color to blue if you want to, or any color. I personally like blue because it kind of matches your actual website. So I like that there, and you can change that right there in the title color. Title font, you can change the font if you want to there. That would be the title font would be this right here. And then if you want to change the body font, you can change that right here as well. And that is the body font right here. Very simple, very easy. On the sidebar, what you see is you see a left and a right button. Personally, I think that you should keep it on the right side, and your sidebar is this little image right here. It converts higher, I do believe, on the right hand side versus the actual left side, as well as people have seen it on the right side for like so many years, and I think it looks better personally to me. So the title color on the sidebar would be these titles here, so you can change the colors to these titles. The subtext color, you can change the subtext would be this right here, so you can change that if you want to. The title font, once again, you can change the font in the title, and you can change the font if you want to in right here. So you would just change it, so you would just click it and then push save changes, and that would change the font or the colors if you want to anywhere in this body as well, on the sidebars for you as well. So as you begin to see, it's very easy and very, very simple to actually change this stuff. And what I think is really awesome about this is that you'll never have to pay anyone ever again to build a website for you, because you can do it so simply here with this Empowered Network blogging system. So let's go here and show you how to change these main tabs or these main buttons right here on your website. Very easy, very, very simple. So what you want to do is you want to go to your navigation bar. And then on your navigation bar, if you see right here where you can turn off Empower Branding, if you turn that off, that will pull away this part right here, and then I do believe this part right here as well. Personally, I like the actual look of Empower Network on top, because let me show you. Let me go back here to the blog, because if you pull this off, this image right here will actually butt against right there, and I really like to have the actual breakage between this part of the website or your actual screen and then your actual blog page. So if you turn off that, this will actually go away. And personally, looking at your blog, I think it looks better, but you can do whatever you want to, of course. So let's go here to once again to show you how to change these buttons or these tabs and make them customizable just for you. So if you go right here, if you see the all button, you can click all. And if you do this, if you click all those become unchecked, and that will pull away all of these. So let me show you right here. So you push Save Changes, and that pulls away all of those buttons right there. So personally, you always want to keep your home button on all the time. But if you want to turn these off like this, you can do this as well. So you push Save Changes. If you notice right here, you just have the home page, and the home page will actually bring you right back to your front page of your website. So for your viewers or your readers, if they're on a different page, they click on home, and that brings them right here to their actual home page. And again, you can change this if you want to and customize this just for yourself. But if you want to put a custom, let's say you want to put a custom button right here, what you want to do is you want to go to page. So you're in the navigation bar, so you want to go from there to page customization, and you click on that button. And then what it will show you, it will show you all these page titles and what you have done in here. So if you want to do, let's say, a about page about you, what you want to do is you want to do a post or a page, and I'll show you later how to actually do that, about you, who you are, what you've done, your experience, and why someone should actually buy from you. So basically, it's your story about who you are, and then if you have, and once again, you don't have to be an expert in a field to sell something to actually someone, because people really like to buy things from people. So they really want to get to know who you actually are. So if you can write a little short, like little blog about who you are, your background, and let's say your experience with AdvoCare, how the business has changed your life, or how the actual products have changed your life, that will actually convert more people, because people like to buy from a person. So once again, let me show you how to. So I already have like a page up here, and it's this post right here. So we'll go in and we'll actually create a tab right here. So what you want to do is you want to go here to page customization, and then you want to edit. So you actually want to find, once again, if you write an article about you, it'll be the actual content about you. And what you want to do is you want to grab this permalink right here, or this URL link. Sometimes going backwards makes it easier. So you copy that, and then you go back into navigation bar. And I'm going to turn all these on just so I'll give you an example of how it will look. So what you want to do is you'll see like here, link number 1. I'll actually pull off some of these so you'll see this. Okay, what you'll see is link number 1. This is your first link. So what you want to do is put in the URL that you just grabbed from the other page, from the page customization area, and then you want to put the title in. So let's say about Brian, even though this is not about me, but it would be about content about me. So you see link number 2. So this is giving you another option of when to put in another button or a tab here. So you go to and you save changes. It's taking a moment. And it's a weekend, so people are probably, let's redo this real quick. Let's save that. So it's being used a lot, so it's still changing it and saving it. Let me go up here real quick, because sometimes if it's being used a lot, you kind of have to retweak it just for a second. Let's go back to the navigation bar. So you go in and you put in right there. So you do, and then once again about Brian. It's very simple. There it goes. Okay, so once again, if you look down here, we'll close this out so you'll see what it looks like. So you see the home page and the welcome page. So let's go to the welcome page. And all these pages are done by Empower Network, and so it's like some of these I actually keep up here because it has some good information on it. But then we'll go to About Brian, and then that will bring you to the page in which we had linked it to. Okay, so very simple, very easy. One of the things, remember, always keep your actual home page, because that will take you here to your home page. And then if you want to do about yourself, you want to do a page about AdvoCare, you want to do a page about products, and you can link all those things to your product page, and I'll show you in a minute how to do that. So as you can see, to actually change these, very simple. I'll run you through it one more time. So what you want to do is you want to go to navigation bar, you want to go to page customization, you'll go here to edit, whichever page you choose. You grab the URL or the permalink, you'll go back to the navigation bar, you'll put in the actual link here or here, and then you'll put a title right there. So as you can see, it's very easy to change these tabs right here, or the pages on your home page or the static page of your website. So let's go now to the AdvoCare and show you how to design your own personal blog. So as you can see here, there's not any blogs or any posts that I've put up here yet, because I want to walk you through that process, and that's why I showed you how to change those on my Empower, is because I couldn't do that from here because there's nothing in here on the post. So to change these images is very simple. So to actually change the image here, you would just click Edit, upload an image. You can go in and browse a image if you want to off your computer, and then you push save image, and then that would save it for you and put it in here. But I actually like this image with my name in it, so I'm going to keep that in there. So let's go here to edit, upload, and change your header image. Very simple, very easy. So what you want to do is you'll look here at you'll see this image here. You're going to want to put a name on here, because this is going to be part of the on-page keyword search, as on-page SEO. So if your keyword is AdvoCare, I can't spell it, AdvoCare, you put AdvoCare there, and then your destination URL, that is where if someone clicks on this image, where does that image take them? And here's a very cool thing about Empower Network, is you want to go to your personal blog with AdvoCare, your actual microblog. So this is mine. And what you want to do is, if you can go to any page on here. So if you want to take them to become a distributor, you can do this page. I kind of like this page a little bit because everybody loves a video. So what you want to do is you want to come up here and you want to grab your personal URL off this page. You want to copy that, take it here and put that in the destination URL and paste that right in there. Okay, and then you will come down here to edit, upload image, and then this is off my desktop, so I actually have an image for you guys, and I'll put that down below, the actual link to actually download these images to your computer, because I've done these for you. And so you open that, and then that will load up, and here is the image. One of the things that you want to be aware of is that I am I am in talks right now with one of the actual team leaders with Advocare, because I heard that they'll be cracking down on people using Advocare in the actual names of their websites, or their actual headers and stuff. So at some point you may not be able to use the name Advocare in your image. I will give you all the information down below this video about what I find out about what you can and cannot do with Advocare name. So at some point you may have changed the actual title of your website, and take it away from Advocare once you're doing this, but that's not a problem. And once again, I'll give you all the information that I do learn about that. So once you have this image here, and once again, this image may be like a little bit different because of the rules that I find out with Advocare. So you can upload any image, a JPEG, JPEG or PNG or BMP. Personally, I like a PNG image. I think that shows up like a little bit better on websites. And then the photo size is a 960 by 265. So if you ever want to have your own image put up here, or you like already have an image, you want to kind of be sure it's a PNG image, and this is the actual size in which it has to be. Okay, so you push save, and then once again it goes right there and it loads up onto your website. How simple and easy is that? That's awesome. One of the things as well, this image right here is a static image. So if you do have a image made, you want to be sure to actually tell your person that you do have a static image right here, and they have to actually work around it. That's why I had this image, this white image here, is because my graphic person was trying to actually work around this static image. If you want to have a different image than this, a very cool place to do this is called Fiverr.com. Okay, Fiverr.com. Once you come here, everything here on this site, people are doing things, and they're doing lots of crazy things for $5. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to come here to the graphics and design and click on that, and then come down here to banners and headers and click on that. And then on the banners and headers, all these people are doing things or making headers for you for only $5. So you can click on that, and then you can see what they've done. These are headers which they've made for like $5. You actually go through and you actually pick someone which you think would actually do like a good job for you. So on average, this person it will take you 1 day to actually do this. Very simple. What you want to do is just join this, create an account. And then you actually pay through PayPal, and once again only $5 for a header, if you want to do your own. And so once again, this is a very cool site. I use this all the time for many different things, but mostly for my actual graphic stuff. So you can do anything is very simple, very easy, and very inexpensive. So let's go back here to the Empower Network. Okay, so here it is, and let's just kind of go see. I'll copy this, and I'll take you into a different, let's go to Internet Explorer. I'll take you into a different, paste and go into a, and then we'll see, okay, so this is how your Empower Network blog will actually look like, okay, or website. So you'll see like a member login. Once again, if you pull off this top header part, this image will be butting up against this right there. And personally, I actually like how this looks. And so if you see right here, so you have the brand new header, and you'll have your actual new image here. And then so if someone comes in here and accidentally clicks on this, it takes them directly to your personal Advocare microsite with this page. So once again, you can have them go to any page which you want. The great thing about this is people tend to click on things on accident or just out of curiosity. So this is very awesome. And just so you know, I cannot do this with my other websites that are not empowered network sites. I cannot link my header image to a URL. So this is one of the cool things about Empower. and like I said before, this is wonderful. You can now create your own website very easily and very quickly, and then you can change these. So in the future, just imagine this: you have a post here. Let's say you want to work around or do a post around the 24-day challenge. Okay, so someone comes in and they actually log into or see your blog or your post, and they see the information about the 24-day challenge. Not only are they getting information about the 24-day challenge, but they can also come over here and click or click on your link to your empowering. God, that's hard to say. So someone could come over here and they could click on the link to your Empower network, and then you can sell them your Empower blog. Because let's face it, not everyone is going to buy a product from you from like Advocare. There's a lot of people out there looking around for information or products, or just being kind of curious. So if they don't want to buy your information or your product with Advocare, that you may be able to sell them the Empower network. Okay, and vice versa. If you have a blog post about how to make money blogging, you have information about your Empower network, but then on that blog you put information about how to earn extra money as a distributor with Advocare, right? They click on that link, and then it takes them here to your Advocare site. So you're kind of double dipping. And this is the power of doing online marketing. Not only are you selling one thing, but you're selling multiple things at the same time. So as you can see, this is very simple and very easy of how to customize your Advocare or your Empower network blog. So let's go back here to the main blog, and yep, we're here. Okay, so let's go back up here and talk a little bit about. So we did the navigation bar and the SEO options. Let's check this out. So on the SEO options, remember, let me go here real quick to my PowerPoint. Where was it? All right, here we go. Slideshow, current slide. Okay, do you remember before we were talking about page title and meta description? Okay, right here is your page title and this is your meta description. So when someone goes online and sees that page in Google, right, when they're searching on something, this is what they'll see. So once again, your page title and your meta description. Let me escape out of here, close this out. So here on your blog, you have your meta title and your meta description. So on the title, which they see, that you type this in, right? You will just type in what the title will be and then the meta description. In the title, you want to have your keyword if you can. So if your keyword is Advocare, you want that in the title. And once again, I will double check with Advocare and what we can and cannot do in the actual meta title. And then on your meta description, you want the keyword in there as well, because that's part of the on-page SEO, is to have these meta titles and these meta description with a keyword in it. So on your meta description, what you want to do is you want to be sure to create curiosity, or to have them, or give them a reason to actually click on your page. So here I say, are you ready to take your Advocare business to the next level? So they have to answer it in their mind, yes or no. If they say yes, then they actually read on. If you are, then Advocare Success Team is for you. So now they're kind of curious. And now I say, I will show you the easiest way to market your, and I actually ran out of space because you're only allowed 160 characters for a meta description, and I use 157 characters, so I don't have room to put anything else back here. So what I did is I created curiosity at the very end of saying, I will show you the easiest way to market your, and they're saying, well, what is he going to show me the easiest way to market my what, or to market the easy way? So I'm creating curiosity, and that will increase your actual clicks on your page. Also down here on the meta keywords, you want the keywords in here as well, and they have to be separated by a comma. So my keyword is Advocare, it's weight, comma, loss, comma, sports, comma, nutrition, comma, home, comma, and business. So I'm hitting AdvoCare, weight loss, sports nutrition, and home business. Okay, you only get 58 characters, right? I'm sorry, 60 characters, and I've used 58, so I don't have room. As well as you don't want to put a lot of different things in here. Normally, if I'm hitting a specific keyword, I will just put that keyword in. So if I was going over just nutrition, or let's say home or business, I would just put in business or weight loss or something like that. In here, if you know about Google Analytics, you can put your actual ID in here. I'll cover more about that later on, but for now, I mean, that's like another video. But for now, if you understand what this is, you put that ID in right there. So then you push Save Changes, and that saves it right there. So once again, that's part of your SEO options. This makes it so very simple. On the other non-Empower Network sites, this is a big deal, and they've made it so easy for us. So then you go to footer data. So if you want to change the footer data, in the footer is this information right down here. So if you want to change this information, you can do that right here. Normally, I don't do that because I just keep it there. I don't think it's like a big deal. So then page customization, and once again, this is where you would actually come in and to add a page or to change these buttons or these tabs here, and then a custom domain. And here's what's awesome. If you already have a domain name, like let's say it's your own personal name or like whatever it is, you can enter this here, and there's instructions right here how to actually mask that domain name, because the actual domain name for this blog right here is advocaresuccessteam.empowernetwork.com. And so that's kind of long. So if I own the domain name Brian Mandrell, right, I could put this in here, and that would mask that. So someone would only have to go to Brian Mandrell to find this blog or this site. Okay, versus saying, would you mind going to advocaresuccessteam.empowernetwork.com? So that's way too long. So once again, you can mask your name, mask a domain name to actually make it easier for actually someone to actually find your blog. Okay, so we've done that. And to add a new blog, so up here you can only have 10 blogs with Empower Network, which is a ton. So if you want to do a micro blog, let's say about, because we're talking about earlier, because I'm going to show you how to do a blog over the vitamins to help sleep, because remember on the keyword search, I found that there's like 170 hits per month on that, and I was going to try and sell the SleepWorks product of that. So if you want to do, let's say a microblogs of vitamins to help I can't sleep. Okay, so if I wanted to actually do a blog around that micro niche, which I wouldn't do because that's not enough hits per month. If I saw a keyword, let's say anywhere around 5,000 hits a month, that would be something to actually do a micro niche a month. Or basically, what we could do here, how to sleep better. Yeah, how to sleep better at night. Or just sleep better. Okay, so I would do a blog about how to sleep better, and then give information about how to help someone sleep, as well as sell the product SleepWorks. So if you see down here on the subdomain, okay, how to sleep better .empower network, okay, it is available. So my domain would be how to sleep better .empower network. So that would show up right here. So that is available, but you could also go in and you could put your own domain name in here and then mask that or forward that as well. And once again, there's going to be a video over how to actually do that at another time. So that's available, and so you would actually click next, and then that would be one of your blogs would be how to sleep better blog. But let's see here. Out of curiosity, so 24-day challenge. Oops. So a 24-day challenge. Okay. So if you were trying to do a micro blog around the 24-day challenge, that is unavailable. So someone else with AdvoCare is using Empower Network to actually market their 24-day challenge product. So what you want to do is you could not use that but you could always mask that if you own the actual domain name 24-day challenge. Then you could actually mask that or forward that here in this spot. So what you want to do once again, how to sleep better. That would be a good one. Or how to lose weight, or how to blog, or blogging for dummies. Let's see, because we actually talked about that keyword, didn't we? Blogging for yep. So I could do blogging for dummies.empower network. Okay, so I could do a blog around blogging for dummies. So you see, adding a blog is very simple, very easy. I'd push next and then just follow the actual instructions. So let's go back here. Let's close this out and let's open this up and see if we covered everything. So we talked about that. We talked about the navigation bar, how to do that. Turn off the branding there. If you want to change the tabs or the buttons here, you go to page customization, you find out, or add a page, find out the actual URL, come back in here, paste it there, and then the actual blog title. We did SEO options, so AdvoCare Success Team, so using the actual keyword, weight loss, whatever it is. So you do this as well on your meta description. You want to be sure to have them curious or a call to action, so they will click on that. And then your keyword is down here in the meta keywords and tags, and we'll cover more of that later when I show you how to blog and doing on-page SEO. So footer data, which you probably won't even touch. Page customization, once again, that's where you get the information from, and then the custom domain. So if you want to mask your own domain name, you would actually come here. There's instructions here, as well as I'll give you a video over that. So let's see. So there is your customized blog, and let's go back to Empower Blog and go through here. And once again, if you want to change your link color, you just hit link color and change the actual link color down there. And then the title color, you want to change it there. If you want to do the sidebar options, right there you can change the font. You can change the font on the title, subtext, and then if you want to put this on the left, but once again I would not do that, and I would just keep all these things in place. And what else would we need to cover? I think that is about it. So once again, you see how simple and how easy it is. You can probably design your blog probably within 10 minutes, and I will have the actual links to those images down below this video of your header images, so you can do that. So once again, I want to make it as easy for you as possible. If you don't like that image, once again, the image size is 960 by 265. Personally, I prefer PNG. I think that looks the best. You can put your URL from your AdvoCare page, and so when someone clicks on this, and then once again on the title, you want to put the keyword. So very simple, very easy, guys. And there's not much more to tell you, because you can do this probably with everything within 10 minutes once you have some information about yourself, about the products of AdvoCare products. And once again, you can put a product page. You want to keep a home page. You can do a product page. You want to do about you page. You can do a page over the 24-day challenge. Whatever you want, you can put all those there by simply doing a post, and then once again going into here. Come on, go up here to the page customization, and you'll find that post is kind of slow. Like I said, it's a holiday. It's kind of slow. Let's go here. So you'll go to page customization, and then you'll just edit that, get this URL, go back to the navigation bar, about Brian, Empower Network. Let's close this. Oh, also, if you ever want to delete one of these right here, this tab, all you have to do is come here, delete this, and then delete that, save changes, and then it's gone. So very simple, very easy. So your project for today is to get your Empower Network or your AdvoCare blog up and customized Very simple, very easy. Should probably take you 15 minutes. If at any point that you need to stop the video, go back, listen to it again, or you can go through the step-by-step process. And if you want to change, let's say once again on the page customization, stop the video, come here, hit page customization, do what it says, start the video again, and once again, that's how I learned how to do all the stuff. Is I would do one step at a time on the video. I would stop it. I would go and have it done, and it's that easy. So you have a great day. Get to work. Next video, I'm going to show you how to blog, and you are so close to starting to actually make money online. And I really want to tell you that you never have to pay anyone ever again to do any website work for you, because you now have a lot of information and like a lot of knowledge. Honestly, with the information that you've learned about on-page SEO, off-page SEO, keyword research, and then how to design this blog, right? It is very, very powerful, and that information is worth a lot of money. And you probably know more than 90% of most online bloggers today. So great job. Get your site up, customized, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks a lot and have a great day.